This 2023 Tiffin Allegro Red 360/38 Ca is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Tiffin is 39 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a soft suede, amber glazed cabinets, Vicinity Tile interior, sleeps 9, Skylight, auxiliary battery, microwave, air conditioning, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, external shower, oven, awning, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunk over cab, front entertainment. This 2023 Tiffin Allegro Red 360/38 Ca is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.